In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a trend line on the TradingView Mobile app. If you're someone who frequently analyzes financial markets, the TradingView app is a fantastic tool to incorporate into your routine. It provides an excellent platform to perform technical analysis right at your fingertips, making it super convenient to spot trends and make informed decisions. So let's dive right in. First, open up your TradingView app on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can find it on both the App Store and Google Play. Once you have the app ready and open, the home screen is going to display, providing various options to view and analyze financial charts. Our next step is to look for the pen icon, which is crucial for creating drawings on your chart. The pen icon is typically located on the top toolbar within the app. Go ahead and tap on this icon, and you will see a host of drawing tools presented to you, each one serving different purposes in technical analysis. For trend lines specifically, we need to access the next option. So let's continue. After selecting the pen icon, you need to select the horizontal line tool. This tool is mostly used for marking off significant price levels on your chart, such as support and resistance lines. However, for our purpose here, we want to move beyond horizontal lines and opt for a feature that allows us to establish trends that are at an angle. This helps us to see the directional movement in a market more effectively. Now move on to select the line tool. This is where we begin to create our trend lines. With this tool, you will have the flexibility to draw lines at various angles, ideal for connecting key points on your chart, such as successive peaks or troughs. When you click on the line tool, see how your cursor changes, allowing you to draw directly on the chart. Start at a particular point that marks the beginning of your trend and drag across to extend the line over subsequent points. Doing so helps you identify the upward or downward trajectory the market is following. And there you have it. You have successfully drawn a trend line on your TradingView mobile app. Trend lines are a vital component of technical analysis, assisting traders in determining market direction and identifying potential reversal points. The knowledge and practice of effectively utilizing this tool can significantly enhance your charting and trading strategy. Thank you for staying with us through this step-by-step tutorial, and be sure to explore all the other features TradingView offers to maximize your market insights. Happy trading!